Building a house or managing home improvements can be overwhelming. Questions about interiors, finding the right experts, or even small details can leave you frustrated and searching for guidance. That's where AECORD comes in. AECORD is your go-to platform. We help you by connecting you to architects, interior designers, and real estate professionals to make the process smooth and hassle-free. AECORD brings you several professionals who can offer you services from start to finish, from suggesting the right location and buying land, to construction, guidance, and everything in between. We've got you covered. Need expert advice? With AECORD, you can find and connect with a variety of professionals. Browse through their profiles, understand their expertise, and choose the right person for your needs. Got a small query? Or need detailed guidance? Book online or in-office consultations directly with professionals. It's that simple. Share your experience by reviewing and rating professionals. Your testimonials help others make informed decisions. AECORD will soon be introducing you to our e-commerce platform that lets users buy products, whether it's construction-related products or home decor items. Plus, enjoy customer care support to ensure a smooth experience. Whether it's for big projects or small queries, AECORD is here to make your journey in construction and real estate easier. Connect with experts, get reliable advice, and make your dream project a reality. Visit AECORD today and experience a new way to connect, grow, and succeed.